Excellencies, heads of delegations of the Federal Republic of Ethiopia, Excellencies, heads of delegations of the Federal Republic of Somalia, Vice President, Her Excellency, $5 million to the drought. It was indeed catastrophic. We thank God and the greenery we have seen as we flew here. Years at the risk of FGM at a regional average of 61.3%. Distinguished guests, since we enjoy stability in Kenya, we are now home here for their lives, keep teachers away. Further, industries to roar back. We must, although we are yet to meet the African Union target of silencing the guns by the year 2020, we have another opportunity through this project to address the root causes for progressive in the Horn of Africa, but the African continent. That is how we can achieve the Africa we want, where no one is left behind. That I welcome this 3-year initiative, Power to Rise, a true reflection of bottom-up socioeconomic transformation of our communities. In this regard, it's upon us to create a favorable and sustainable policy environment for shared prosperity. We are taking orthodox measures to spur the livelihoods of our pastoralists, such as through sustainable access to safe and clean water for human and animal boreholes, stealing water pans. With sufficient water, communities will easily integrate crop farming with pastoralism for enhanced food security. This will also allow them to grow pastures for sustained feed supply. Given that our communities here are only separated by borders, these measures